If you are trying to install Delta Executor Mobile on your iPhone or iPad and you keep getting errors like unable to install, app cannot be verified, integrity could not be verified, or the app just disappears after installing, then stop for a second and watch this video first. In this video, I'll show you how to install Delta Executor often on iOS, with new method 100% working on your device. First, open your browser and go to applejr.net. Once the website is open, go to the Sideload tab. This is the brand new AppleJR sideloading tool that lets you install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad using your own Apple ID signing certificate. But please note, this tool requires a USB cable and a computer. You cannot install the app directly from Safari on your iPhone or iPad. The best part about this method is that you don't need Sideloadly, iTunes, iMazing, iCloud, or any extra sideloading app. Everything can be done directly from your computer browser. You only need your iPhone, a USB cable, and your Apple ID. So again, make sure you open applejr.net on your computer, not on your iPhone. After that, choose the IPA file from the available app list, that is Delta Executor. Once the app is selected, click Continue. Now, sign in using your Apple ID. This is required so the tool can create a signing certificate and install the app directly to your device. After you sign in with your Apple ID, Apple may send a two-factor authentication code to your trusted device. Check your iPhone, iPad, or other trusted Apple device, then enter the verification code on the AppleJR sideloading page. Once your Apple ID login is complete, then click Connect Device button on the page. A device connection pop-up should appear in the browser. Connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer using a USB cable. Select your connected iPhone or iPad from the list, then click Connect. After the device is paired successfully, AppleJR will detect your iPhone or iPad and prepare it for sideloading. Now you are ready to install the selected IPA file. Click the Install button and wait for the process to complete. Do not unplug your USB cable while the app is being signed and installed. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed, the IPA file size, and your device connection. Once the installation is complete, check your iPhone or iPad home screen. If the app appears on your iPhone or iPad home screen, that means the sideloading process was successful. But before opening it, you may need to verify the developer profile first. To do that, open Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Go to General, then open VPN and Device Management. Here, you should see the Apple ID developer profile that was used to sign the app. Tap the profile, then tap Trust and confirm again. After that, go back to your home screen and try opening the app. If the app still does not open, you may also need to enable Developer Mode. To enable it, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then scroll down and tap Developer Mode. Turn on Developer Mode, then restart your iPhone or iPad. If everything was done correctly, the app should now open normally. And that's it. You have successfully installed and opened an IPA file on your iPhone or iPad using the new AppleJR sideloading method with your own Apple ID. If this new AppleJR sideloading method helped you install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad, make sure to leave a like on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I will keep updating the newest iPhone and iPad sideloading methods, IPA installation tutorials, and iOS tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.